Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your washing machine is squeaking and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your machine is squeaking because it's new. If you have a new washing machine, you may notice the squeaking sound after installation. This is normal because some of the moving parts, such as the springs, drum, and door seal, need to wear in slightly. The squeaking may go on for up to 5 laundry cycles and then disappear on its own. However, if it is annoying, consider lubricating the moving parts to eliminate the noise. Look out for faulty motors. On the other hand, if the washing machine isn't new, the squeaking noise may indicate a problem with the motors. To fix this, check whether there is a faulty motor. You should also inspect the motor coupler, which is attached to the motor shaft. If any of these parts are damaged, a professional can help you replace them. Worn-out belts can also cause the squeaking. The belt attaches the motor to the drum and facilitates the spinning motion. Over time, due to age or regular use, the belt can wear out and cause a squeaking noise. You can solve this by replacing it. Look out for worn-out shock absorbers. The shock absorbers hold the drum in place and dampen vibrations. They also wear down with time and may lose the lubricant they came with. Therefore, replacing worn-out shock absorbers can help solve the problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.